Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do this faux ponytail hair extension that I wear in a lot of my Instagram photos. As you may or may not know, I had to chop off a ton of my hair earlier this year because I got a really bad haircut and then I had to get a corrective haircut, and then we just kind of went up to where the shortest layer was to let it all grow back evenly. So I used to wear a ponytail nice and high up all the time with my natural hair, and now we've resorted to a ponytail hair extension until the rest of my hair grows back out, and this is how I've been achieving this look. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, to get my hair to this point, to this just basic high ponytail look, I actually like to put a leave-in hair treatment in. Right now in my hair, I have the Olaplex. This is the number 3 Repairs and Strengthens leave-in treatment, and I go ahead and I put some on my fine tooth comb and I brush it through my hair until all the strands are evenly coated, and then I just use that to put up my hair in a sleek ponytail. I find that that works a lot better than hairspray because hairspray tends to break up and not look as smooth, and I don't like hair wax because I don't like the texture. So this kind of kills 2 birds with 1 stone. It makes you have a nice sleek back look with your hair while also doing a deep conditioning treatment. So that's my little secret about that part. Now, once I have my hair up in this ponytail, it's combed through. If I have any flyaways, that's when I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water to wet my hair and then spray down some hairspray. But once I have my hair up in a ponytail, I take small little sections and I'm gonna go ahead and hair straighten the ends so that everything lays down flat, because when I put in the extension, I want this to be kind of camouflaged within it instead of kind of flipping out on the bottom. Now my hair was already pretty straight, so I recommend if you do have curlier hair, straighten your hair first, then add the leave-in treatment, put it up in a ponytail, and then re-straighten. And you also don't want to put the treatment past the roots of your hair. Like, I don't have it in any of this section of my hair, otherwise it will be kind of thick and kind of wet and waxy looking, just like the top of the section is. Now the extension that I'm using today is this one right here by Hairdo. This I found at Namie's. It's just a human hair ponytail. It's 16 inches and it's a wraparound pony extension. So this is what it looks like. We have a little clip right here that's going to dig into my actual ponytail, and then a little section right here that kind of lays on top of the ponytail, and then this piece will wrap around to mask the start of the extension. Each time I pull this out, I do like to just quickly brush the hair through. I am also very delicate with this, and I'm going to run this over with my straightener once it's on in a minute. But just to kind of get any knots and kinks out, I'm just gonna brush it through. Now this part is not usually a one and done for me. It usually takes me a few times to get it to sit in the right place. So if you don't get it the first time, don't get frustrated. You want it to look natural, so play with it until you feel like it looks best. So what I do is I hold the ends of the hair, I move that little clip in place, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig that. It's a little comb, and I'm going to push that into the base of my ponytail, okay? Then I'm gonna take this end of the wrap and I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail piece until it comes to the back. And then I'm gonna take this section that's out, move all the rest of the hair out of the way, pull it down and under so that it meets with that other side. Pull it nice and tight, and then I'm going to start to wrap this hair around the base. Now at this point I kind of start to look to see if I like the look, if I like the feel, if it's tight enough before I go all the way through, because this is where I'll kind of stop and restart a few times. But I'm liking how it's feeling, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with it. Then I'm using some bobby pins. These are Beauty 360 from CVS. And I'm going to go ahead and secure that end in place. Now once I have a few bobby pins holding that in place, I'm going to go ahead and brush through again. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my hair straightener and run over the hair. Now once you've finished running over the hair with the hair straightener, you can add a few finishing touches. You can add a little bit more hairspray if you want. You can add a couple more bobby pins, whatever you want. I'm actually going to add in one over here because I do have a bit of a bump happening. And then you are good to go. So that is it for my high ponytail tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, or if you have any questions, then go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get this face on and head to a wedding. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.